Today we are going to
open the choo-choo on the road.
on the track.
A truck and a car and a choo-choo and a wheel truck.
Go. Say hello.
Hello everyone.
Today we are going to
Open the choo-choo on the road.
on the track.
A truck and a car and a wheel truck.
Oh, see the choo-choo then look like what look like? Oh, that wow.
Let's open it.
Oh, wooden train. How much? Oh, £15.49. And then this one is the truck, yeah. Oh, Maxine already have so many trucks, but this one is
This one
just.
on this way there.
Oh, this is 9.99. Oh, big G curve roadway, yeah.
This one this way.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, shall we open it? Yes, shall we or not?
It's Chicken's Road.
Yes, shall we open it?
It's Chicken's Road in it.
Yeah. Oh.
With
What color is the choo-choo then?
red.
Yes. Mommy
Look,
open it. Yes,
and
shall we?
that, look there.
Yes, shall we open it? My cook.
Yes. There.
Cut.
There, look.
Oh, there. Open it. Can you open it or not?
And it, I can open. Well, this one like this one.
Oh, it's sharp. Oh, okay, in a minute. Wow.
Let's go.
Whoa, that's nice.
Let's get now.
Wow.
Trucks, I said.
Wow, you got truck also? You want me to help or not?
No, no.
Whoa, yeah.
That's it there.
Yes, you got how many truck? Two? How about this one? Yes, shall we open this one?
Yeah.
Yes, shall we? Go on, open it then. Open the box one. Oh, what's that?
No.
Can you open it? Pull it then. What is inside the box?
Road.
This is for the cone there. Oh, there. Oh, it's like a roundabout, yeah?
There.
Oh, like a roundabout, yeah? Do like this, yeah? And then like that.
There.
Oh, it's like roundabout. Put it more. Turn around then.
Like this. That one's like this.
Is it? Oh, you go wrong way.
Got this one. Okay.
Oh, new one, yeah? Whoa.
Like this here.
It is here. Like this first then.
Road here. Like this.
Like that.
And like that. Like that.
Oh, that's it. Yes. Oh, yes. It's like roundabout, yeah? No, it's not like that. Turn around. That's it. Yes. Wow. Yeah. Put the choo-choo in it, yeah? Put the choo-choo or not?
Like this.
Yeah, where's another choo-choo then? Take a picture, yeah? With the choo-choo, yeah? Click then. Smile.
Smell the train.
Yes.
Let's go here. This train.
Wow. Kising naik kereta api, no? Tulit, tulit.
Yeah? You get this one here.
What?
Cars and these kids.
Nih, move the cucu nih. Wow. Wow, move the cucu then.